Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another sneaker review. And like I said, these are not my pairs. You know, I don't really do this type of shoe. Like, I'm not really into designer like that, like I used to be, but hey, it is what it is, man. This is a sneaker review channel, and I'm going to try to give y'all everything possible. But before we get to this video, y'all already know what to do, man. Hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review. Whatever I do, and subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Not finna talk our ears off, but like I said, shout out to my nephew for letting me see this pair. Me and him is the same size, so you know, he be, you know, I already know how that's gonna go, but let's get straight into it. And what we have here is a Alexander McQueen box. It has a little, I don't know, it look like a it's a AM Q. It look like a flower or something, but yeah. It's a sneaker leather Ezra Leary. I don't know, man. I don't know how this stuff goes. This is what the tag say though. That's the tag. I don't know. So let's flip this lid off. I know these are some expensive shoes, so I'm trying to be delicate with the box. As you can see, got the Alexander McQueen, the AMQ paper right there. It's wrapped up all crazy liking. Yeah, man, first pair of designer shoes on the channel. And what we have here is bling, blow, bird right here on the shoes, man. I'm not gonna throw this box down because this box is probably like $100, $200. So I ain't gonna toss it like I do. And it come with a extra spare pair of laces right there. And we have these chunky midsole Alexander McQueens right here. I don't know why my nephew love these so much. I guess because they make him look taller. I don't know. But he love these. It's like his second or third pair of these joints. He love these joints for whatever reason. But not finna talk y'all ears off. Let's get straight into this review. I'm gonna do the review on the right shoe. Y'all already know how we do over here. It got some real thick extra paper down there, like some real thick paper. I guess this is what they do for designer stuff. But little paper right here, we gonna toss these out. Dang. Oh, okay, it's only two. Let me move up for this. They got some real, like this leather, right? This leather is so thick on this shoe. You can't even push this in. These almost feel like some steel toes or something. These, so like the leather on here is so thick. I don't know, man. This stuff, designer stuff, it's crazy. I'm guessing this is like the standard laces for them. These real thick, flat laces. The white on white. The lace loops is white. But the shoe ain't even white though. It look like a cream. Cause I see this midsole is whiter than the shoe. So the shoe look like a cream. And these lace loops are white. But the shoe is, I think the shoe is actually like cream. And so the shoe, it got some numbers in here. I guess this is the size. Cause it say 41. And I'm guessing that's the size of the shoe. You have a leather insole. Hold on, let me see, can I take this out? The insole of the shoe is actually leather. It say made in Italy. The insole of the shoe is actually leather. Boy, what the fuck? You have an all cream insole, all leather out in the insole of the shoe. You have Alexander McQueen on the tongue, all leather. This shoe is like all leather, damn near, except for this little part right here. You have Alexander McQueen right here on the heel, and this nice dot. Hey, this suede on the back of this is so premium, and it got some backstroke motion. I don't know if the camera picking this up, but it do have those backstroke motions. The suede on this is so premium. And okay, you have some perforation holes on the side of the shoe, side panel of the shoe, And this is basically the same on this side. But what sticks out the most is this real extra chunky midsole right here. The midsole is extra chunky. And right here, I guess this is where like, cause it's like two different materials. So I think this is separate from this. Cause they stitched this together. This, I don't know if the camera picking it up. Y'all see where it's like two different. So I'm guessing these two is different. Like this little strip right here is connected with this, and they stitched this to that together. I don't know how they did this, man, but hey, definitely some thick leather on here. Super premium. Outsole of the shoe, crazy traction. But this is for like fashion stuff, so it's not for like running or doing anything sporty in it. It's just for, you know, walking around, showing off. You have Alexander McQueen right there on the outsole of the shoe. And yeah, man, I mean, I really don't know what else it is about the shoe. Here's the other one. There you go, look at the other one. These are just like, I don't know, like a flexing shoe, I guess. I don't know. I don't really do the whole designer thing anymore. But it is what it is, man. I don't know. He in high school, he likes to do what he gonna do. But anyways, man, like I said, shout out to my nephew for giving me these and those threes, man. That's my homie. He already know. And yeah, man, finna give y'all some real quick B-roll of this shoe. I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll of the box and all that extra stuff that's in there. So let's get straight to it. Real quick, I know this has nothing to do with the shoe, but spare pair of laces and this extra thick paper they put in here. Like this paper is so thick. What is this? What is that? Dang, they shoes come with a booklet. Thank you for choosing to purchase an Alexander McQueen product. They put like a little thank you card in there when you buy stuff from them. You got like, I guess, they got more tissue paper in the Alexander McQueen wrapping. All right, let's get straight into the B-roll with the shoes. Yeah, man, hope y'all enjoyed the B-roll, man, like I always say. Oh, wait, before I get into that, like I said, this right here is also my homie's brand, Millions. I'm going to put a link down below. Y'all can check them out, cop some. This is the Tupac part of this Excellence collection. He had a Biggie one and he had a Tupac one. Tupac definitely like in my top 5 greatest rappers of all time. Definitely, like, so I had to grab this one. He had Biggie, he had Tupac. I don't know if he's making some more to part of that collection, so y'all can go down. Link will be down below in the description. Check them out. And yeah, like I was saying, let me know how y'all feel about these, man. Do y'all like designer shoes? If y'all iffy, y'all don't really get into the designer shoes, comment that all down below, man. We can talk about it down in the comment section, man. Like I always say, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video. Friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Still review, sneaker review, whatever I do, and subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.